and welcome to another online business realm video. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and click the subscribe button to stay up to date with everything we have going on here at the channel. So for today's Crypto Tutorial Thursday, we're going to be showing you guys how to buy Ripple. So if you don't know anything about Ripple, it is a centralized brand of cryptocurrency, which is different from, of course, other types of cryptocurrencies where the whole point is to be decentralized. Ripple is a centralized banking platform that is supposed to be able to revolutionize the international banking system. That's the long and the short of it. So a lot of people really like Ripple. Let's go here to CoinMarketCap and kind of look at some of the basic numbers for Ripple. So as you can see here, Ripple right now is $1.12 as some change, is down about 7% over the last 24 hours. So let's go here and look. The all-time high was at almost $4, and it's had a huge drop since then, but a lot of that has to do with it wasn't put on Coinbase like a lot of people thought it was going to be. And then on top of that, of course, the Bitcoin price has just been down lately. So the total market cap is $43 billion. So if you do some math, you'll discover that Ripple is number 3 in market cap. But one of the problems with Ripple is that there are just so many coins. So even though the market cap is about between a third and a fourth of what Bitcoin's market cap is, so whereas Bitcoin has 21 million total supply, Ripple has, I think it's like 84 billion. So there's just so many more coins. It's never going to be able to approach the price of Bitcoin per coin. So I'm not saying that to discourage you if you're interested in buying this. I just want you, if you've been given some information like, hey, Ripple can go to $50 or it can go to $100, that's probably just not true. Unless every single bank in the world starts using this technology quickly and its market cap goes up to trillions and trillions of dollars. Just to put that in perspective, you know, the stock market has about $60 trillion in it. So for Ripple to go up in the trillions, then that just kind of shows you how big it's going to have to be compared to a lot of companies on the stock market. But if you think Ripple might go to like $10, I could probably listen to you on that. So if right now it's at $1 and you're thinking about making 10 times your money over maybe about 2 to 3 years, then it's still a good investment. So let's go ahead and show you how to buy it. We're going to be using 3 apps to buy this. We're going to be using Evercoin, Coinbase, and Toast Wallet. So what you do is go to your Evercoin app. We're going to trade Bitcoin for Ripple. So we'll put Bitcoin in the top square there and Ripple in the bottom square. And you need to decide how much Ripple you want. So you know it's worth about $1 a piece. So let's say you want to get 100 of them. The top square where it says you send is going to show you how much Bitcoin you have to send to get that many Ripple. So as you can see, it updates quite a bit because the price updates quite a bit. We're going to send 0.01055.702 to get 100 Ripple. So come down here and hit Start Exchange. So what we're going to need to do now is we're going to need to go send that much Bitcoin. So we're going to go here to Coinbase. We're going to log into our account. So we're logged into Coinbase right now. You just click Your Accounts, go here to Bitcoin. Now, even though we're actually going to be sending from Coinbase, Evercoin wants to know a refund address. So they want to know what address they could send your Bitcoin back to if the transaction doesn't go through. So you'll go here and click Copy Address. Okay. You will go back to Evercoin and type Paste from Clipboard, and there it is. Now you also need to have somewhere to send your Ripple to once the exchange takes place. So we're going to be using an app called Toast Wallet. We've made a previous video showing you how to use Evercoin and Toast Wallet, but not specifically for Ripple. So if you need to go back and watch that video, then go ahead and do that. But Toast Wallet is very easy to use. So what you're going to do is it gives you a password you create. You're going to log in. As you see, I've got 20 Ripple in here. One thing to keep in mind about Toast Wallet is once you create a Toast Wallet, you're never going to be able to get that last 20 Ripple out. Now, they say one day, eventually, you may be able to. They might lower the threshold. But for right now, you're putting 20 Ripple in there, and you're never going to be able to get it out. That's why I haven't used this in a while, but I have 20 Ripple sitting in there, and I can't take it out. So if you want to have 100 Ripple fluid and liquid, then you probably want to put 120 Ripple in there. So just keep that in mind. All you do to get your address is just click on the top of the screen, and this is going to have your account details. So at this point, all you got to do is just copy this address. Okay, copy. Now we will go back to Evercoin and we will type in the address and hit paste. And then all you do at that point is click exchange. Okay, so we don't need that for Toast Wallet. So we're going to skip. And now all we have to do is copy this address, go back to our Coinbase account. So all we're going to do is hit the paper airplane icon in the top right. And we are going to want to put the amount of Bitcoin we're sending in. So we click the arrows to the right there. We're just going to type 0.0106, close enough. And then we're going to hit send. Now, we don't have that much actually available in our account right now. I have my money on some other exchanges. But all you're going to do after you type in the amount you're going to send is paste the address that we were given, that we've already copied, and hit send, and you will be ready to go. One thing to keep in mind in Evercoin is that there is a timer that counts down that says how long your transaction is good for. And this confuses a lot of people because usually the transaction does not actually go through within that window. But rest assured that the transaction will go through. I've never had one not go through. Sometimes it takes up to 24 hours, but it's not always a very super quick exchange. But at some point over the next 24 hours, hopefully within 15 to 20 minutes, you'll be able to go back to your Toast wallet and your new money will show up in your account. So that's how easy it is to buy Ripple on Evercoin with your phone. If you know this process pretty well, you can do this in less than 5 minutes. So thanks for watching. I know you guys really like our crypto videos. Please like and share our videos so more people can see it and we can just continue with this crypto revolution. So if you haven't done so already, please click subscribe, stay up to date with everything we have going on here at the channel. And until next time, get out there and make some money.